In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy options on Plus500. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find options on the platform, how to choose a contract that fits your view, and how to place your trade with sensible risk controls. First, log in to your Plus500 account. Take a moment to confirm you're on the official site or app and that your connection is secure. Once you're in, you'll land on the main trading interface where you can access all available markets. From here, click the Trade or Markets tab. This is your catalog of instruments. You'll see categories across the top or side. If you don't spot options immediately, don't worry. There are two easy ways to find them. You can open the Options category, which groups option contracts by market, or use the search bar to look up an underlying asset that offers options, such as a major index or a popular forex pair. When the list loads, you'll see multiple option contracts for each asset, typically distinguished by strike price and expiration date. Check those details carefully so you're looking at the exact contract you want. Next, select the option contract that matches your view. A call option tends to increase in value when the underlying price moves up, while a put option tends to increase when the underlying price moves down. Make sure the strike and expiry align with your time frame. Shorter expiries react more quickly but can be more volatile. When the contract window opens, choose your direction. Click Buy if you expect the option's price to rise, or Sell if you expect the option's price to fall. On Plus500, this is labeled as Price Up or Price Down to make the intention clear. Now enter your position size by setting the number of contracts. The platform will display the required funds, any relevant margin, and the current spread. If you're new, consider starting small while you get comfortable with how option prices move relative to the underlying asset and time to expiration. Before you submit, you can optionally set a stop loss and a take profit. These levels help you define risk and targets in advance. You can type an exact price or adjust the distance. Keep in mind that in fast-moving markets, execution can vary from the displayed level. Finally, review your order details and click Buy or Sell to open the position. You'll see a confirmation, and your trade will appear in your open positions, where you can monitor performance and manage it as conditions change. That's it. Straightforward, focused, and in your control. Trade responsibly and take your time getting familiar with how each contract behaves.